This is a purpose-built hospital, so this is Mercy Ship's first hospital that we've designed from scratch with our partners and have built it to our specifications. And it has a capacity for about 200 inpatients. We have 6 operating rooms. We have a full functioning lab and radiology department and pharmacy. Everything that's required to do the care that we do on board is contained on this vessel. And these beds have been specially designed. You can see the bed below is for the caregiver of the patient, and then the patient will go up on the top there. And these wards are fully equipped with all the latest medical technology to provide the highest standard of care for our patients.
We start the program and then let it fall out and set it. So you get the appointment and I don't actually.
His recovery was so profound and relatively uneventful that he, I'm sure, is living a fairly normal life at this point in time.
The same things that we would use in the U.S. are available to us on the ship.
We target areas of the world where there is not access to free, to affordable, to timely and safe surgery. So we particularly go to areas where that's very difficult, and our patients sometimes have waited years or decades to get the surgical care that they need. So this is why it's transformational, because you can imagine in places like Europe or North America, people get the care very quickly, in a matter of weeks sometime when they notice a problem, but our patients are waiting years, which causes sometimes social and economic consequences to their lives.